CQDX 406 North Carolina, standing by.
406, you're blowing smoke up here in the state of Iowa. 0926,
Roger that, 926, got you in there, 926. You're sounding great here in the Carolinas. 406, waving hand.
Hey, Roger, 406, I didn't think this old 1-watt radio was getting out, but you're sounding good. 73's down that way. Take care, my friends, stay safe. 0926,
CQDX 4731, New Jersey calling.
How about that 4731 in New Jersey? 406 North Carolina, waving.
How about 406 North Carolina? We got you loud and clear on our receive. You're sounding great up here in New Jersey. Have a great week and a great holiday weekend. 406 in the Carolinas.
Roger that, 4731 New Jersey, sounding good. 406 North Carolina, saying have a good week. 7-3s.
Hello out there, man. Hello. I want to know if my radio's getting out. 666 Michigan, sitting by, copy in the mail.
Hey, 666, you're making a good trip to the Carolinas. 666 406 North Carolina, waving.
406, man, I copy that, man. I'm coming right back to you, man. I got a good copy on you. Yeah, I don't know. I heard you talking to another gentleman, so I just figured I'd throw my 2 cents in there.
Roger that, 666. Hey, that radio's doing a good job here in the Carolinas. 406 North Carolina, saying 7-3.
All right, man. 73s, brother. Have a good 4th of July.
How about that 207 in Michigan? 406 North Carolina, waving.
406 North Carolina, 207 Battle Creek, Michigan.
Roger that, 207 Battle Creek, Michigan. Sounding great here in the Carolinas this evening, 207. 406 North Carolina with 2 thumbs up.
I feel 406 is doing a good job up this way. 207 Battle Creek, Michigan.
Roger that, 207 Battle Creek, Michigan. 406 North Carolina, saying 7-3.
How are you today? CQ 101, waving a hand. 101 out of Northern Hampshire said that.
How about that 101 Northern Hampshire? 101 406 North Carolina, waving.
406 101, waving right back. Sounding choice tonight up here in Northern Hampshire. Roger.
Roger, 101, you're sounding good here in the Carolinas. You're making the trip well, 101 406 North Carolina with 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, we're good one there, North Carolina. 101 waving.
Roger that, 101 406 North Carolina, saying 7-3.
Right back at you, my friend. 73s.
495 Mobile, Pennsylvania.
How about that 985 in the PA? 985 in the PA, 406 North Carolina, waving.
406 North Carolina, you just came up over the pile. 985 Philadelphia waving down.
Roger that, 985. Boy, you're blowing smoke in the Carolinas. You sound like my neighbor, 985 406 North Carolina, saying 7-3.
Roger, you said I sound like your neighbor, and you sound the same way. You're right up there on top. I appreciate that, Glenn. I'm able to make a good trip, and I sound good to you. 73, have a great 4th.
75. Yeah, I have 165 out there. 29.
I got you 175. You're a little covered up, 175, but I got you in there. 406 North Carolina, waving.
Here, 406, thank you for coming back to Philadelphia. Have a good one here, 406, bye-bye.
Roger, Roger, 175 406 North Carolina, saying 7-3.
Real good, sounding real good. 73s.
291 Binghamton, New York, and I'm back to listening.
On the Big Apple.
How about that 291 in the Big Apple? 291 406 North Carolina, waving.
9, take care. Top of the evening to you. Bye.
Well, good evening, time 406, no problem hearing you. 291 upstate New York, the return. Yes.
Roger that, 291. You're blowing smoke here in the Carolinas. 291 406 North Carolina, saying 7-3.
Right back at you, 406. Have to
keep her from vibrating off the desk here. Sounding good. 291 upstate New York. Yeah, I'm back to listening.
651-307.
Yeah.
Your way of kinetic.
Well, who do we got left out there? Break, 406, North Carolina, standing by.
406, 519, Ontario, Canada.
I got you in there, 519, Ontario, Canada. 519, 406, North Carolina, waving.
Alright, 406, thanks for the contact there. Yeah, you're sounding really good here in Ontario, Canada.
Roger that, 519. You're right on top of everybody else. You're the only one I hear, 519, 406, North Carolina, saying 7-3.
Yeah, 7-3 from Ontario, Canada, and enjoy that DX.
I heard you there in Carolinas. We got you there in Carolinas. Thanks for that. Come back.